Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, we will take out the jack. Here the jack, and this one, you need to have this one. In order to take the spare tire out or to lift the jack. To release the spare tire, you have to use this tool, and it's going inside, and you can rotate and take it down. But now we are going to just fix, we are going to to put a new brake, so we don't need to release it. The jack is very small, so you have to put some wood spacers below and also here. And now it's okay, and you put the same tool that help you. Yeah, so this is the tool, and now you can rotate it to bring it up. Put some stopper on the wheels and engage the handbrakes. Okay, before the wheel is completely in the air, then we will turn it on.
Loosen the...
Yes. Put this part with some extension. Go very easy, and after we release it, we'll continue to bring it up completely. Okay, now we will bring it all the way.
So, like this. Okay. And then this one here.
Now it's above the ground, so we can release it completely. That's enough. Just secure in case the jack is released. Okay, now everything in the air. Take everything out.
Bolts.
All the bolts takes out. The disc has to be 26 minimum, and it is 27. The disc is very smooth, and the brakes is still okay, but we decided to replace it. 14mm socket. You have to open these two bolts.
Oh.
This, the clipper, you use some screwdriver
A flathead.
and pressing a little bit, and now it will be
Now it becomes loose.
become loose.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Okay, now we take it out. The clip. And just hang it here. So okay, so we have the new pads here, and we need to take this piece out. And it will be below this one. Okay. Now we'll take the pad. Just a bit. It's coming out.
Okay, like that.
It's still okay, but we'll change it.
Okay, and so
Let's see the difference.
these are the two to compare.
Okay.
So put them
Okay, we'll put it back, the new one.
from here to here.
Everything is perfect. Okay. Okay.
And then you put it like this.
Yes.
Okay.
This piece of metal. Now everything is in place. Now we have to do the other side.
You put it in here, there's a clip, you squeeze it in, and then you put it into here, this other clip, squeeze that in, and then that's it. These guys hold it in, and you're good. And now, the other piece, do you want to lubricate?
We have to compress the pistons, so let's start by putting the professional tool.
Fits right in here. And then you just
Okay, that's the way. Another way, you can take the old pad, put it here, and then
use the clamp.
use the clamp to press them in.
But it needs to be, to press them both at the same time.
Yes. Careful not. All the way. You can release some oil here if you want, but we didn't do it. Now put it back. Okay, now we put it back. Press on this. Okay, let's put back the tire. So we use this as a leverage here. A little bit of oil. White lithium grease. Okay, now we release it. We used the tools that come with a car. So you have to make sure you have some wood to get the spacer. Final touch after the wheel is on the ground with some extension.
Remove the cap.
Remove the cap.
Okay.
There is a spring inside. Try not to break it, otherwise it will fall in the future.
Set it aside.
And we go back.
And we loosen. You guys.
You need some extension.
Yeah. Okay. To use the jack that comes with the Nissan Pathfinder from 1996, you need another 10 centimeters approximately of space, because the jack by itself is not long enough to lift up the car. So by using these pieces of wood, we made up the difference.
And if you're standing on the sand, you need some wood not to let it sink into the sand. Nissan Pathfinder 1996 SE.